Welcome from Global Campus Group. In this lesson, we continue Unit 1, Exploring Business, by examining the environment businesses operate in. This is an important area of study because no business operates in isolation. Every organization is affected by forces outside the business, by conditions inside the business, and by the competitive pressures it faces in the market. In this lecture, we will study four main areas. First, we will explore the external environment. Second, we will examine the internal environment. Third, we will consider the competitive environment. Finally, we will look at situational analysis tools that help businesses understand their position and make better decisions. By the end of this lesson, you should be able to explain the main environmental factors affecting business, identify the internal and competitive influences on business performance, and understand how tools support business analysis. There are many factors that a business must be aware of. These include its external environment, its internal environment, and its competitive environment. Let us begin with the external environment. The external environment includes factors outside the business that can influence how it operates, grows, and competes. Political factors can affect businesses through government support, regulation, policy direction, and trade relationships. Economic factors include fiscal policy, monetary policy, supply-side policy, economic growth, and exchange rates. These can influence cost, demand, investment, and profitability. Social factors include attitudes to saving, spending, and debt, social responsibility, and demographic trends. These shape customer behavior and business response. Technological factors include technological change, automation, and improved communications. These can create new opportunities, improve efficiency, and transform the way firms operate. Legal factors influence the way businesses are formed, managed, and regulated. This includes partnership and company law, charities legislation, competition law, governance requirements, regulators, and government oversight. Environmental factors include ethical trends, carbon emissions, waste, recycling, and pollution. These affect cost, compliance, sustainability, and public reputation. We now move to the internal environment. The internal environment includes factors within the business itself that shape its performance and behavior. Corporate culture is the shared set of values, beliefs, and practices within a business. Corporate social responsibility is the commitment to act ethically. Ethics are the moral standards guiding behavior. We now turn to the competitive environment. Competition is the rivalry between businesses. It takes place at local, national, and international levels. Businesses try to build a competitive advantage. This may come from differentiation or strategic pricing policies, market leadership, reputation, cost control, or the effective use of technology in relationships. The benefits include higher profit margins, customer loyalty, market share growth, and sustained innovation. Finally, businesses use situational analysis tools to understand their environment and make strategic decisions. A PESTLE analysis examines political, economic, social, technological, legal, and environmental influences. A SWOT analysis assesses strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. A 5Cs analysis examines the company, competitors, customers, collaborators, and climate. Porter's 5 Forces analyses industry rivalry, new entrants, substitutes, and the bargaining power of suppliers and buyers. These tools help businesses understand their position, recognize risks, identify opportunities, and make effective decisions. To summarize, we have examined the external, internal, and competitive environments and reviewed 4 key analysis tools. These concepts are essential for understanding business strategy. Thank you for joining this lesson from Global Campus Group. In the next lesson, we will continue our study of Unit 1, Exploring Business.